Guys, look at this. A package just arrived, and I think I know what's inside this box, and I can't wait to open this to show it to you guys. What's up YouTube, this is Manuel and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today we finally got the legit pair of the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott Low. So I'm so excited to show it to you guys and see how it looks. So let's open the box. So as usual, you have this pink tissue paper with Travis Scott or Cactus Jack logo and Air Jordan Wings logo and the Nike logo. Then you have this white tissue paper, and boom! As you can see, there's 3 extra laces, one in red, one in black, one in pink. Obviously, the red is actually waxed. The black and the pink extra laces are actually the thick laces. I got this from StockX, so I think this is definitely legit pair, which I mean I trust them. I've been buying my sneakers from StockX, and ever since I never had a fake pair from them. So without further delay, let's go into the sneakers and see what's special about them. So the quality of the materials used in these sneakers are really nice. You have the suede material in mocha or dark brown on the toe guard, and all the way to the lace loops. You have the same material on the heel counter and the heel tab. And of course the Nike swoosh on the medial side, same material. Then you have the nubuck on the base of the sneakers, which is on your toe box, on the medial and the lateral side. And then you have this reverse swoosh. This reverse swoosh is in tumbled leather, which is really soft to the touch. Well, actually, the reason why I said that the materials of these sneakers are really premium because, yeah, it's so buttery. You can see the suede changes the color when you touch them. And it's really soft to the touch. Now the other details on these sneakers are the Cactus Jack writing or logo also on the medial side in red. And then on the heel tab on the right sneakers, you have this Air Jordan Wings logo. While on the other sneakers on the left side, you have the Cactus Jack logo, the face right there. Then moving on to the tongue, you have this nylon material. Similar to most of your Air Jordan 1 lows, you have the nylon material, this one in black. And of course, you have the Nike Air branding on the top of the tongue. Now the sock liner is also in dark brown or dark mocha, as you can see. And then, of course, the midsole is your typical Air Jordan midsole, this one in sail color. And the outsole, you have your similar Air Jordan 1 outsole, this one in dark brown or mocha. Now the insole for these sneakers, this is the right side. You will see a reverse Travis Scott inside. And actually, I'm not sure if you can see inner, you have a Nike Air logo and the Cactus Jack face. And then on the other sneakers, you have the Jumpman logo. And on the left side of the sneakers, the insole has a Jumpman logo on the heel. On the middle area, you have the Cactus Jack writing in white. And further down there on the forefoot, you have the Air Jordan Wings logo. I'm really happy now to get this legit pair. I always wanted to have these sneakers ever since the leak photos have been released early this year. Not a lot of people are a fan of these sneakers because they prefer the Air Jordan 1 High, this one. But I mean, That's really nice. That's the reason why that sneakers is actually the reason why I fell in love with Air Jordan 1s. But the low cut version is like more easier to wear for me because it's not high cut, it's more comfortable, it's not that hot. Especially here where we are in the Philippines, the weather is really hot, so having a low cut version gives you more breathability in your feet. So I got this pair from StockX and I was kind of lucky because when I bought this, the prices were still low. I took a 10.5, half a size bigger than my normal true to size of size 10 because the price is more cheaper. The size 10 is actually at that time was over 700 US dollars, while the 10.5 I got this, would you believe, at 600 US dollars. Right now it's almost $800 after a week. Just after a week, the prices jumped high up to almost $800. For some of you that are new to the channel, last week I got scammed. I opened a fake Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott Low and I was really disappointed because I spent a lot of money for it. But I told myself I gotta have a legit pair of these sneakers. So I immediately bought a legit pair and I was lucky that I bought it right away because if I waited, then I would have paid more. Right off the bat, I've seen a lot of difference from the fake pairs that I opened last week and this legit pairs. But I'll be going on in detail regarding those difference, the comparison real versus fake on another video which I'll be showing to you guys tomorrow. Before that, I'm sure you guys are wondering how these bad boys look on feet. So it's been a while since we did on feet action for this channel, so I think it's time to bring it back, and this Travis Scott really deserves to have this on foot action. Before I end this video, I just want to remind you that we still have an ongoing giveaway for this Ultra Boost 19s. So please check out the video of these sneakers and make sure that this video reach 1,000 likes so I can give it away to you guys on Sunday. So we still have until Saturday to make sure that we reach 1,000 likes for the video of these sneakers. So please make sure to share that video and like the video, and of course make sure that you follow all the mechanics so you can have a chance to win this Ultra Boost 19s. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.